Hi, if you're watching this video, it's because you are interested in learning more about the Smart Credit Repair system that I posted on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Google, anywhere on social media that I'm advertising. Thank you for taking a few minutes to take a look at this video. It's going to basically give you all the information you need to start fixing your credit on your own. Guys, this is the best way to do it. Save hundreds of dollars by doing it on your own. Just like TurboTax, where people can do their own taxes and save a lot of money, this is the same way here. Smart Credit Repair System allows you to build your credit on your own and for a lot less from what these companies are charging right now for credit repair. There's companies out there that are charging $289. There's companies out there charging $250. There's companies charging $900, $500. I've seen all crazy numbers. And here with Smart Credit Repair is only $20, guys. $20, yes. It's going to give you access to the training tools that you need, everything that you need to start fixing your credit right away. So I'm going to just show you real quick what you get when you pay your $20 to get access to the Smart Credit Repair System. So you get 26 step-by-step how to repair your credit videos, 4 rounds of dispute letters, reestablishing new credit via little-known resources, and also this is included income shifting strategies for producing increased cash flow, minimize expenses tool, debt eliminator tool, investment calculator. You get all of this plus more for $20, and I want to show you also how it looks. Alright, this is how it's going to look once you are a member. It's going to give you module videos step by step on exactly what you have to do to start building your credit up again, guys. This is very easy to do. I'm actually doing it myself. I'm in the process of doing this myself. I was a part of another company 9 months ago where I had to pay $289. They did all the work for me, but I paid $289. Now I only pay $20, and I can do everything myself and help others, save hundreds of dollars also by fixing their credit on their own. So as you can see, there is a one-time payment, and they're charging $99 for this. But if you get in now, it's only going to be $20, and this is how you're gonna get it for $20. I'm going to show you real quick on how to do it. If you're watching this video, you probably clicked on my link, and when you click on my link, it's going to take you here, okay? It's going to say my name, Peter Serrano, okay? You're going to press continue, and you're going to put all your information in here, okay? Once you put all the information in here that's needed, you're going to put your initials here, right? PS, okay? 1995, right? And you're going to proceed with creating your myecon.net name. So it could be anything. It could be you could say John Doe myecon.net. Okay, so create your link, and once you press continue and pay for this, you're gonna receive an email. All right, the email is gonna say welcome to. It's gonna have a link. You're gonna click that link, and it's gonna take you to my home, right? And you're going to click on BMC Home. Click BMC Home. I'm going to show you where to find this at. Alright. You're going to click Income Shifting Membership. And then inside of my Income Shifting Membership, you're going to get access to your Smart Credit Repair Kit. Alright. You're going to get access to an ID Defender to protect your identity. Plus, it has a software for your computer to, keep it safe. It's got the Legal Club. It's got the Cashback Mall. It's got a discount travel, and it's got your cash flow manager. This is how it's going to teach you how to eliminate crazy taxes that we get charged. It's going to show you a lot of things on how to invest. So that's why I said that for $20, you're not only getting Smart Credit Repair, you're also getting a lot more tools for $20. All right, guys. So if you are interested in this, again, click on the link, follow the steps, put in your information, pay for the repair kit, and then once you pay for it, open up your email, click on the link that you're going to get, and it's going to take you here. Once you click on BMC Home, click on Smart Credit Repair, and then you can start your video module, and it's going to give you instructions on how to do this step by step, guys. Do it yourself, save yourself some money, click on the $750 credit plan, and start your module. Start it today, guys. Alright? You can start this as soon as possible. As soon as today. As soon as you receive the email, you have access to all of this and more. Like I said, credit repair and more. Alright, I hope this video explained a little bit about what this is. If you're interested, get started today, guys. Any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help. Take care. Bye-bye.